Welcome to the Citrus Grove K-8 Lower Campus Library Orientation with me, Ms. Garcia, your Certified Media Specialist. Let's start with some reminders. Teachers, please sign your class in and make sure to include the number of students with you when you walk in. Bring your class each week during your scheduled time. Have students come in quietly and in a line and wait for instructions from the librarian. Remain with your class for the duration of your visit and assist students with finding books and following rules. Have students sit down at the tables or line up by the exit once they've checked out their books. They should not wander around after they've checked out. These apply only to teachers who bring their entire class, not those who send students in small groups. Some rules to remember before visiting. Students without signed parent agreements may not check out books. Students, if you need a form, see me or ask your teacher so that you can take it home and have your parents sign it for you. This way you'll be able to check out books too. Teachers, send no more than 3 students at a time, please. Students, whisper and keep your voices low. There will be students working in here when you visit. There's no running or climbing on the furniture. As you can tell, we have brand new furniture in here for you to enjoy. Let's take care of it. Don't mistreat the books either. Throwing, dropping, shoving them into shelves are different ways to damage them. Writing on them, tearing their pages and their jackets are also harmful. Let's not do any of these to our books so that we can all enjoy them. No food or drinks around the books, and no rain too. If it's raining outside, keep your books in your backpacks to protect them from the moisture. Also, don't eat or drink around them. Don't take them to restaurants, to the bathroom, or to the cafeteria. This way they'll stay nice and clean and in good shape for others to use. Keep books in your backpacks when you're not reading them. This means they'll be protected from your pets at home and even your little brothers and sisters who might be tempted to damage them. Do not trade books with friends. If you trade your book with your friend and your friend loses it, you will be responsible for paying for it. That's right. That's why it's a good idea never to trade books. If your friend wants your book, bring it to the library, check it in, and then let them check it out. Always line up quietly at the circulation desk. Students who continuously break the rules will lose library privileges. This means you won't be able to come to the library to check out books or visit the book fair. Very important, if you damage or lose a book, your parents will have to pay to replace it. You may not check out new books until the lost book is returned or the fine is paid. Parts of a book. One of the most important parts is this little barcode at the front of the book. This is what I use to scan the book so that I know which book was checked out and who checked it out. This is how we keep track of our books and prevent them from getting lost. This is the cover of the book. Some covers might be hardcovers while others might be soft covers. And some books might have a jacket that protects the hardcover. The spine is the center part of the book that holds all the pages together. This is what faces out from the shelves so that we can find the book we want. Inside is the best part, the pages with the words we read and enjoy. And some books have a cool little ribbon inside that helps to mark the pages. It's a built-in bookmark. Please do not pull, cut, or tear the bookmarks out. AR Reading Level Color Chart. As you'll notice, this chart is no longer displayed in the Media Center. But Ms. Garcia does have AR Reading Level Color cards. You may ask her for one if you need help finding books in your range. Here are some of the levels. Yellow level is 0 to 0.9, green is 1 to 1.9, orange is 2 to 2.9, blue is 3 to 3.9, red is 4 to 4.9, light blue is 5 to 5.9, and purple is 6 to 6.9. There are some books that have black dots on them. Those books are the same as purple and would be 6 to 6.9. Each color has a different level range. Use the reading level cards to help you find your book. Know your level and find books in your range. Teachers, use STAR assessment reading levels and ensure students know their levels before visiting the library. Books have color labels or color dots on the spine or inside the front cover. If they have none of these, it may not be an AR book. Ask the librarian to check in the system. Using shelf markers. Place markers next to the book you want to pull out. They must be touching. This means the marker must touch the book that you want to pull off the shelf. Return the book to the same spot before removing the marker. This means when you place it on the shelf, the book should now be touching the marker again. Spines must face out, unless it's a big book. Some books are too tall to place on the shelf standing up, so we must lay them sideways. If the book was that way when you pulled it off the shelf, make sure to put it back the same way. If you forget to use your marker, do not put the book back on the shelf. I repeat, if you forget to use your marker, do not put the book back on the shelf. Put it in the uh-oh bin, which is right by the circulation desk. This way, Ms. Garcia can go ahead and put the book back where it belongs, and the book won't be lost. Do not hit yourself, others, or make noise with the markers, or you will be asked to sit down. Do not leave markers on the shelves or take them with you. Please be careful to put them back where they belong before you leave. Checking out and returning books. You may only check out new books once you have returned all the ones you checked out. Make sure to bring those back each week on your library day so that you can return them and check out 2 new fresh books. If there is a specific book you want, ask the librarian to help you locate it. Use the numbers and letters at the tops of the shelves to help you find books by call numbers. If the librarian tells you your book is in the 430 section, you can look at these numbers to find that section. Use the shelf dividers to help you find topics you like. The library has many shelf dividers, and these dividers have different topics. When you find the book you want to check out, return the shelf marker to its place and stand in line at the circulation desk. Never remove any books from the library before the librarian scans them. Bring them to the circulation desk and listen for that beep before you walk out with your book. So how many books can we check out? First grade can check out 1 book, second grade can check out 2 books, third grade can check out 2 books, and 4th and 5th grade can each check out 3 books. Visiting the book fair, our favorite part here at Citrus Grove. You cannot visit the fair until your parent signs the consent form. This is a separate form, not the same one that you need to be able to visit the library. Make sure that your teacher gives you one of these forms, or you can see Ms. Garcia so that you can visit the book fair. Without these forms, you're not able to walk in or make any purchases. Come in quietly, whisper, there's no running or yelling. You must use cash to shop. And you cannot buy things for friends. The money your parents give you is for you. Remember to add $1 to the prices you see for taxes. Put things back where they go. Visit on wish list day and write down all the things you want to buy. And bring your parents on parent night to shop for books and fun goodies with you. Finally, there are cameras watching what you do. Treat all items with care. If you damage a book or item, your parents will have to pay for it. Also, if you steal anything, you will get caught by the cameras and you will be sent to the school resource police officer who will contact your parents. You will not be allowed to visit the book fair for the rest of the year. Thanks for visiting. Teachers, need some help? Email me. Or take down my number in case you show up with your class and I'm not here. Text me. I may have just stepped out for a moment and can come right back. Reading will take you anywhere you want to go, and I can't wait to help you get there. See you all soon!